Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find a wallpaper and personalization. So here we have to tap on online wallpapers, or actually at the bottom we've got different albums because we've got editors pick, some new options. They are of course also online, and system wallpapers which are pre-installed. So if you do not have the internet connection, or if you don't want to download something new, you can still use something from the system wallpapers. Here we've got also pretty options to choose from, like the nature, patterns, gradients, or crystallization. Really nice options. However, I think I would like to choose something from online wallpapers, so let me enter. And here we've got different categories. I'm not sure if you can see anything. Let me maybe change the brightness a little bit. So here you've got different categories like new, or the categories overall, because for example we've got here animals, cityscapes, dark, etc. Let me choose something from new options maybe, and I think this one is appropriate. So after finding the wallpaper, simply tap on it. Let me choose this one, and now you can change the position of the wallpaper, so you can just move it slightly, something like that maybe. Yeah, I think it's nice. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. If you want to, you can turn on the wallpaper carousel. I don't want to, so I just don't agree, but you can tap on agree, obviously. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.